All right, cool. Let's first prepare the app for verification. Cool. Not considered. Cool, this works. App is submitted for verification. What next we need to do is update the domain of this. Alright, what you need to do is need to update the domain, right? Hey, hi bro. Yeah, I updated my domain basically to this one. Basically, both are active as of now. You'll see both domains are active, but yeah, I bought a new domain. This looks much more clean and simple, I guess. So yeah, I'll be proceeding with this one. Alright, let's close this. There it is. I guess it costed me around 1000 per year. I think it was 1000 for the first year, and post that it will be 1200 to 1300 per year renewing. Yeah. Earlier, my domain was basically from Squarespace, which acquired Google domains, and now I bought it from Namecheap. Like I got it for cheaper rates on Namecheap, so yeah, I proceeded with it. I think I have verified my contact. What's this? Let me close this. This is my email verified. Alright, it is already verified, I guess. Cool. Let's set up two-factor authentication. Fuck it, man. Cancel. I can't set it like this. I'll have to generate new OTPs. Alright. Cool. I need to add an account and scan QR code. There we go. That's cool. Backup codes. Regenerate. Let me just regenerate my backup codes. Yeah. Copy these. Print these maybe. Save and YouTube. Backup codes. Yep. How's your project going on? I think you were making a Golang project now. How's it coming up? Yeah, it is verified. It to manage. Okay. Are these both your accounts, 11x and Mr. 11, or are these two different people? I'm sorry I missed it, but yeah. Started with review Terra tab. What is Terra tab management? Okay. Alright. Got it. So is your portfolio hosted on our website or something like that? Alright, we need to add restaurant. Okay, restaurant management backend. Okay, got it. Need to add IMX record over here. Send order kits. Priority will be 10. Okay, can you share the link or something like that? Maybe we can check it out. If you can, maybe you can share a link to that. This is added. Next one is txt. Where did you share it? Can't see it in the chat. Once it's updated, we'll have to update every project where I've added this emailing system. One will be, I guess, password manager, and other will be Kamish X. Okay, let me. Oh, I missed letter. I'll write this one, right? So this is your resume. LinkedIn, GitHub. Oh, that's nice. Kubernetes, great. Oh, we're in this company right now. Got it. This is a really good element I see here. Really, this is a really good element actually. Feel free to copy if you need any helping me. It is a single page. Got it. My own portfolio is not that fancy actually. If you see, it is a simple Notion inspired page, I would say. Like really minimal. I'm thinking that I might update it because I need to add more projects and it would be a monotonous thing to keep adding projects over here. So I have to kind of change my portfolio. Let's see what I'll make. So you're making a backend for this in Golang, you're saying. Achha, you're not making a backend for this in Golang, you're okay. You're making a restaurant management backend in Golang. Abhi, got it. What do you need to correct now as in your portfolio? There is not any project actually in here basically. However, I think education. Okay, this is. Hey, bro, just check out this link. This redirects to your own portfolio again. This one, certifications. Maybe update this a little bit. Like this doesn't seem correct. This is like a college thing. You worked in Node.js, developed UI components, used Mongo's ODM. Like this is something which doesn't specify exactly what you are doing, right? Like what exactly have you built in your company? So this is a really basic thing. Like okay, you're working in one stack, you'll obviously be using Mongoose, Node, Express, React, and all that. So this doesn't specify what you are doing. These are links. Okay, resume you've not added. Got it. I think these profiles look a little bit awkward over here. Like these can go maybe over here, like as in the side, in a very minimalistic way. These are kind of a huddle kind of thing. And yeah, one thing will redirect the user to a new tab when he clicks on this, because you don't want the user to get lost out of your portfolio, right? Anyways, game backend. Okay, that's interesting. What kind of game are you building as of now? About me should go up here. You can write it over here, and that's it about you. No need to add another section, I guess. A lot of empty space, maybe. Like as I said, my own portfolio is really very minimal. I I used to have a fancy portfolio, but now I just got into a minimalistic thing, like minimalistic portfolio thing. That's why I updated to this card games and COC. Oh, COC kind of game. So are you also using something like C Sharp to build the game, or C++, like as in Unity, or what else do we have? Unity एक और है हमारे पास. Don't remember, but yeah. Are you completely into game programming, like using C Sharp and C++, or just building it using JS? Great. Oh, this is a to-do app. Got it. In Unity, alright. So Unity uses what? C Sharp, I guess. Unity is from, what was that game studio? I don't remember the name. E से start होता है. Just backend in Node.js. Alright. Have you deployed any of your projects? Like deployed as in C Sharp. Got it. C Sharp is more like Java, I guess. It's kind of a mixture of Java and C++. Netflix GPT. This is from Akshay Sani's course, right? Namaste React. Notes, Obsidian. Okay, you have got it. You can add a bash script over here to keep syncing your notes automatically to GitHub. Terminal backend. Terminal portfolio sounds interesting. Hey, have you not hosted this? Okay. Like it would. Oh, this is interesting. I've seen these kind of portfolios actually. अच्छा ठीक है यार. Kamesh, okay. I saw that. Maybe create 2 to 3 good projects and wait a second. Why is my internet not working? Alright, it's back up again. Interrupt. Well, okay, got it. Well, the best thing is just host your project somewhere. Maybe like on a domain, or just buy a domain. If you're into front end, all you can do is like, let me just show you. You can go on, like if you're only making front end projects only, right? Then also if you host on Netlify, or what do you say, Vercel, then also you can redirect users to your own domain. You just have to add your own domain over here in domain management, and then you'll have to add everything, all the IPs and all the DNS records that Netlify asks you to. Then users can visit your portfolio on your own domain. So kind of buying your own domain is kind of a good investment in yourself. So best thing will be buy a domain and host your projects over there. SSL certificates are managed by these platforms themselves, so not a big issue. And anyways, SSL certificates you can get for free using certbot also if you are running it on an EC2 instance or on a cloud server, anything. So yeah, just create some projects, host them on your own domain. It gives a good impression. All right, domain is updated. Cool. Let me go in email service. All right, this is updated. Let's try one thing. Let's see how I receive an email. What you need to improve? All I said is just basically buy a domain for yourself, right? And host your projects on your own domain. Like even if you don't want to start your projects in a cloud server, in a cloud environment, all you can do is just basically, like as of now you have hosted your projects on Vercel or Netlify, right? All you can do is just go in Netlify or Vercel, wherever you are hosting. When you open your project, you will see an option of domain management. You can add your own domain. All you have to do is just add the DNS records that Netlify or Vercel asks you to add into your domain list. All right, in your DNS list, and then all the users will be redirected to your project through your domain. All right, like my portfolio is currently not hosted on any of the EC2 servers, right? Because it's just a front end thing. So I don't want to deploy it manually on a cloud environment. That's why I hosted it on this Netlify. So all I did was just added my own domain over here, and domain mapping is then quickly done. So even if you don't want to start cloud servers or cloud environments for your project and you're just making front-end projects, you can still deploy them using Netlify or Virtual, and then you can manually add your own domain. So buying a domain is a good investment for yourself. That's what I said. Like, it is definitely a good investment because it leaves a good impression when your projects are hosted on your own domain. Right, where was I? Yeah. Let's see if I got an email. Alright, email domain is updated over here. If you see updates.mltaco.dev, yeah, that's great. Email domain is updated. Wait a second, alright. Okay. I think it is a password manager. I hope it runs successfully. Yep, it ran successfully. Cool. Working fine, I guess. Okay, I haven't updated this thing over here. Got it. Tell me if I updated it for Quizzy. Yeah, it's going on. Correct address. Okay, I got it. Got the issue. Don't forget to like and share the stream, bro. Alright, it should be deploying. It build and cool, thanks a lot. I think alright, it is done. Let's see. Okay, it is still going over here, kya? Why is this still going here? Okay, password manager. ठीक है. As expected. Which project? Which project are we talking about here? Oh, Cali. Okay. Fast as in, see, I have made a really great number of projects in Node.js actually. That's why I know most of the stuff. Like once the project is set up, it doesn't take a lot of time. And for front end, I generally prefer to use AI like v0.dev or Claude. Like, see, I basically understand React logically, what's happening, like all the state managements, all the providers. I understand everything. It's just that I kind of don't want to waste my time in creating those beautiful CSS classes and all. So front end ka I don't waste much time on it. The main thing lies in the back end. All the logic building is mainly residing in your back end, and that's, I think, I worked on a good amount of projects. That's why I am able to do it. Like, you can make a whole Cali thing, like the one that I made, you can create it in a single night, I guess. You just have to stay up for what, maybe 4 to 5 hours. Like if you code it in a single stretch of 4 to 5 hours, you'll see that you are more productive. Like it took me 3 to 4 nights. The reason was I got a break between those coding shifts, right? Like I coded for 2 hours a single night, then 2 hours for another night. The kind of flow gets broken once you get a break in between. So if you, let's say, stay up for 4 to 5 hours, you'll see a huge amount of difference in the productivity. So I kind of tend to code for at least 2 hours once I sit back and start coding a project. That, like, 2 hours is not the best amount of time you can do for a productive coding session, but like this is for me. This is everybody's personal preference. Some people prefer Pomodoro techniques. I kind of don't feel it that good because it gives you a little 5 minutes break after every 25 minutes. It breaks the whole flow. You just have to start from the beginning again. That's why I prefer coding in longer sessions while you create some projects. Yeah, that's why. I tend to code faster generally. Like I could have done a really lot better if I just sat for 4 to 5 hour shift. I could have completed the whole backend. But yeah, that's the reason I think. Dot JSX में yeah. Cat. Okay. Since here we have it. Okay. Got it. Wait a second. All right. CD. Cool. Should be working now, I guess. And stop this. Disable it. Maybe keep it enabled. ठीक है, cool. It's deployed, all right. Let's see. Yeah, now it's working fine. It is sending the calls to unstoppable.f. That's great. Everything is working fine over here. Over here, this is what? Verification in progress. Cool. Starter filter with $300 in credit. Okay. I think I need to start in Google Cloud itself. Okay, I can only spend in the next 3 months. Not good. I don't want this then. Cool. What is done? I guess domain updation is done everywhere. Deployment is in progress. Like once it is verified, it will be working fine. Deployed thing. Until then, it should be working fine over here. Yeah, and cool. Let's solve one Leetcode question, and then we can wrap up the stream, I guess. Binary tree level order traversal. Okay, in the root of a binary tree, eradicate is nothing but a BFS traversal, right? I picked up a easy question. Alright. This one is an easy question, I guess. Like all we have to do is just a BFS. So maybe we can solve another one. Cool, let's solve it. Validate BST. Okay, what do we have to do over here? Let's see. You're on the root of a binary tree, determine if it is a valid binary search tree or not. Okay, so basically left subtree should have everything less than node. Right subtree should have everything greater than node. and so on, so on. All right, cool. So what do we need to do? Right. Okay, node value can go up to this, which is int max. So let's go with long. And what else we need is simply return true if the root is null. That is kind of the base case. The next thing we need is right, and what left, right. The max will be updated over here, which is root.val. Here minimum will be updated to root.val, and both have to be true. Cool, this should work. All right. What happened, bro? What just happened? Can you elaborate? Okay, cool. Get smallest element in a BST. Not now. Alright, we can continue Leetcode later on, maybe. If I stream tonight, I can then solve Leetcode in the night stream if I go for it. Otherwise, I guess that's it. This. Do we have anything new? Comprehensive guide to what? Okay, why do people need this? Oh, not exactly a success, I would say. Like, I'm really bad at Leetcode, to be honest. Even though after solving these many questions, I do not feel that much confident in Leetcode. It's just that I have solved these questions really a lot of times. Like, see, I've really solved these questions a lot of times. That's why I kind of just remember the solution sometimes. But yeah, I need to work on my DSA skills, to be honest. They are not really good. So I'll be working on DSA from now on also. But why does someone need this guide? Like, alright, literally I have an extension installed for the status codes thing, so that I don't have to go through these articles every single time. There's this extension called HTTP status codes. This gives you every single status code information, like why that status code is used. So whenever I feel confused, I just need to work on both as in DSA and Dev. Like I'm also learning kind of Dev every day. Like every day I come up and learn a new thing, both at my workplace and in my personal learning series. No worries, bro. We can start growing together. Maybe like see, this is for sure. I'll be streaming my whole learning journey. That's for sure. I just didn't stream from last 3 to 4 days because I was busy in some office work. But yeah, we can connect on streams and maybe you can ping me on Twitter or somewhere. We can have a chit chat about what should be done next and what not. This is literally that shit which makes Dev.2 not worth it. Like, go to Reddit if you want to do this. What? I also created a URL shortener actually, but it should be in my GitHub. Yeah, there it is. I have to host this also. I'm not sure if I should host it or not. Not a major project. It's just a basic project which is doing nothing, just allowing users to get authenticated and then they can they can create short URLs. I feel it more interesting to create some these CLI tools. CLI tools are really interesting. For example, I created this CLI tool. Like what this does is this simply expands every single URL. How is it helpful? I don't want to visit anonymous URLs where I don't know what the URL is actually doing under the hood. Where is it redirecting me under the hood? That's when I use it generally. And if you want to run it in an isolated environment, then the SquareX extension is the best. One another CLI tool I created is this create repo. It basically allows me to create repositories from my terminal on GitHub. So whenever I start a new project, I don't have to go to GitHub to create a new repository. I just simply do it from my terminal itself. Like not a really optimized, like not a really what do you say? Not a really that kind of thing which speeds up your workflow by 100x, but yeah, it is a seamless process to create repositories from your terminal and you just don't have to shift windows again and again when setting up your project. That's why I like it. So maybe try creating some CLI tools. You get to know another kind of development stuff and how CLI tools actually work and interact. It's nothing, it's just a utility function that is being called on this command and it's just installed globally in my system. So yeah, this kind of stuff excites me. You can maybe try creating some CLI tools. Okay, I guess I also need to move to some other cloud provider because this is getting really out of hands. Like if you see it is saying $26, I have to shift maybe to Walter or something like that. This pricing calculator. can I calculate my price? Let's see. Estimate it should be around $9 maybe a T2 micro instance, but I don't know why it's saying $26. Okay, anyways, maybe I'll move to Walter or something. GCP kind of okay. GCP gives you $300 credit, which you can use for 3 months. It's just that okay. Why most of people use AWS is one thing is it is globally it is the most widely used cloud provider. AWS comes on top when it comes to cloud markets, and it has a really good interface. I would say like a friendly interface which you see everywhere. I don't know GCP का cost. Let's check GCP versus AWS cost. I never checked Google Cloud का cost. Let's see here. Real compute engine. इसका तो I know it will be T2 micro will cost me around $9 to $10 per month, which is around 800 rupees. And यहाँ पे let's see on demand price. Okay. Let me just maximize it. It is 0.03645 hours, right? So it is 24 into let's say 30 on average days, 720 into. Let me just use it. Yeah, GCP is costly, I guess, as compared to. Oh, I can see it in monthly rates. Yeah, GCP is costly than AWS actually, I guess. And AWS का क्या है? Let's see AWS EC2 pricing. T2 micro, right? That's what I'm using as of now. T2 micro is what I'm using. Can't see T2 micro over here. Wait a second, how much does a T4 instance cost me? Okay, $12. I think I can go with this one. $6, right? 600 rupees. I can T4G micro is a good thing, good option. What about T3 micro? Cool, bro. Bye bye. Good night. Maybe. Oh, sorry, not good night. Yeah, maybe if I stream at night, we'll see you. Read. Okay, this is not anywhere worth it. Walter का pricing is way better actually. Yeah, I think I'll go with Walter then. It costs what? General purpose के CPU optimized. What? Yeah, Mumbai. I need a shared CPU. Cloud compute, there we go. Okay, you even get a free instance, that's great. It's just 500 MBs of RAM, which is not good at all. I think this is affordable. And USD, 866 rupees, yeah, great. This one can be afforded, or this one maybe. Cool. Move. Not this then, alright. Huh, cool. Alright, that's it for now. Maybe I'll stream tonight, or yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.